Huge market reversal today. After early declines this morning, the market reversed midday, led by banks, led by the energy sector. The S&P ended up about 1% around 2850. The Dow snapped its three-day losing streak, up over 1%. Earlier today, the Dow was down almost 600 points and the S&P and NASDAQ down almost 1% each. Major averages are still on track, however, for their worst weekly performance since the market low the week of March 20th. The S&P is up almost 30% since that March 23rd low. Early this morning, economic data, almost 3 million more people have filed for unemployment claims, bringing the total over the last 6 weeks to about 36.5 million. Just yesterday, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said he expected that unemployment would likely peak over the next month or so. ES option data yesterday, very busy, about 893,000 options traded, 63% on the put side. Volume leaders were the end of month, end of week 3, those expire tomorrow. May 2,800 puts, about 11,600 of those traded. End of month, end of week 3, May 2,700 puts, 7,900 of those traded. The September 3,250 call, 7,900 of those traded. And the September 3,450 call, about 7,000 of those traded. ES options pricing in a move to the end of the day tomorrow expiration of about $30 and going out to next Friday of about $100. Bitcoin, what an interesting trading week. We saw the halving on Monday, which happens about every 4 years or so. Today, Bitcoin spiked up to a high on the CME futures of about 10,070, settling in up $500 or so on the day around 9,800. But a very, very interesting technical happened that traders like to look at. On CME futures, last weekend from Friday into Monday, we saw a huge gap down in CME futures, a massive sell-off, and that gap, or that big area where there was no trade, filled today. So something that traders watch for from a technical standpoint.